You say it.
Action. Oh, are you gonna clap the thing?
You clap it.
I clap it? Okay. Let me come over here.
You clap it and say it.
All right, you ready? Action. All right, go ahead.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Am I in the right place?
You are, but I gotta zoom in on you a little bit.
I'm gonna talk about my dinosaurs.
McKinley's video, take 2.
So, this one is the video that you didn't see, so I'm gonna go ahead and restart it, and this one is a little baby, which was in the family of pterodactyls, which are these two, the daddy and the mom, this one is looking up, this one's looking down.
Some chocolate-covered strawberries?
Gimme! I'm sorry, but I said gimme because I didn't know I had to say please, but I love it. My grandma just gave me some of these.
Not bad. Well, that looks good, baby.
Yummy. This is kind of good.
When you go to sew this, it's very difficult
Your grandma, you have to, if you were a kid watching this video,
if you line them,
you should
you can put this on the inside. I probably would have done this next one.
do this video and watch this video every day because this one is the smartest video I ever seen, and I like this video because I'm in this video. So let's go on. Let's go on. And I'm gonna keep eating this until I'm done. This one is kind of cool. I do not know, but a pterodactyl, I know everything except like the triceratops, the raptors, the pterodactyls. So we have these pterodactyls here. I love the stegosauruses. Cool stegosauruses. This is not the one that was in the globe of stegosauruses. That one, I don't need that one. So these are what I was talking about. These are stegosauruses. The stegosauruses have the most protective tail ever, like these little spines. There's 2 of them, which you could see these like spines on their back and spines on their tails. So the triceratops has something to protect itself on the edge of its neck. That is a brontosaurus.
And what does a brontosaurus do?
It eats plants.
Eats plants. What is this guy here?
I don't know.
You don't know what that one is? You know what that one is?
Triceratops.
That's a triceratops? I thought that was an incosaurus.
Triceratops.
Oh. What is
like
that one?
A triceratops.
Are you making up words now? A triceratops? What is that one?
A baby triceratops. I got this tattoo today, and I really like it. It's a flower. I kind of like flowers, but I kind of like roses because I kind of like red. The roses are so beautiful. I think this one is a rose, but roses don't look like this. So Chastity did my henna tattoo. He's gonna sew that thing I don't like. If I had that machine, but that is cool, 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 cool. But I did not know that that was cool, cool, cool. I know what these 2 are. They're they're multi-headed dinosaurs, which are multi-headed dinosaurs though. So pretty, but they could protect their brain by using this metal. I mean, this bumping thing that they could bump into to protect their brain. this is kind of cool. I have two, which cool. Well, I don't have this one in. I used to have these two in my collection. Now I have them back in my collection. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that raptor I just flew on the ground. So I didn't show y'all the orange ones or the red belly ones. You know what these are. They're baby T-Rex. This is actually 2 T-Rexes. Oh no, that one stuck. So I didn't mean to say these two have just light red, dark red. Not as much as like detail. They're kind of cool. So on to the next. So these aren't the last. They're in my collection now. So these are cool. I like them. I used to have these in my collection. Now I have them in my collection. And so I hope we end this video at me. And so we're not done. So these 3, like, they have a lighter belly than these 2. So I kind of like them. They're cool. I'm doing a video about this. So we're not getting this video right now, but these aren't my last. I have so we're gonna get back to doing this. So I kind of like them. So these 3 are kind of So these 3 are kind of cool because they have that bright belly of red and orange. So cool. That one out. That one out. That one out. This one is another baby T-Rex, but I kind of like the baby T-Rex. This is kind of like a Triceratops, but Triceratops have this and horns like right here. And this right here, which I didn't talk about, like, I did not even talk about this spine that protects the neck, which the T-Rex could bite onto. And let's move on to the next. There is a baby pterodactyl that I did one in one video, which you'll have to see. So I'm gonna make y'all watch it right now. So you're gonna watch the video. So it's gonna turn on right now. We're cool, aren't we? We do this video every day on the boat, on the boat, on the boat. I do not like the boat. I like the camper. The camper has an outdoor kitchen and an indoor kitchen, which I like the outdoor kitchen because there's more milk in there. And I like those juice packs in there. That juice pack is so good. Grandpa, I'm gonna actually drink a juice pack.
We only have 9 minutes left of battery life and then it's gonna die.
So, we're gonna end this video with these 2 flying with their baby. So, we ended it. We're done. Cut.